welcome to Gautam Digital Learning. My name is Revati. I am Java full stack trainer working at Gautam Digital Learning. So today we will learn about Java. Okay, basically we will learn about programming languages we are learning. So coming to programming languages, there are two types of programming language, that is procedure oriented and another one is object oriented. One is procedure oriented, another one is object oriented. So coming to procedure oriented language, what all comes under procedure oriented language is C language will come under procedure oriented. Okay, and in object oriented comes Java. So the basic difference between C and Java is C language is used where there is no security required. If we take the applications based on C language, let's suppose by using C language we develop CalC, okay, or calculator, and we develop calculator, notepad. These kind of applications we will develop. Okay, do you guys think any security is required when we are developing a calculator or when we are using calculator? No, because we are not transferring any amount over calculator and we are not transferring any data also. So for that kind of applications we do not require any security. That kind of applications are developed by using C language. Okay, great. When it comes to Java language we will use for developing applications which are highly secured. Let's take the example of army, guys. Okay, so in the army anyone and everyone is not authorized to utilize that information. That kind of applications, if we develop by using Java, then it will go smoothly, it is well and fine. But if you develop by using C, it will be accessible by everyone. Then what will happen? Our country will be in stake. Coming to Java, why Java is secure? What making Java is secure when compared with C? What the things Java have and what the things C doesn't have. Okay, the basic thing Java is having, that is access modifiers. The thing is access modifiers. These things are done, the security and everything is achievable and is possible only because of the feature called access modifiers is present in Java. Okay, what is access modifier and what are they? Let's see. We have four types of access modifiers. Okay, that is, first one is default, another one is public, private, protected. Okay, what is access modifier? Okay, let's suppose we want to access some data. If it is applicable for everyone, if the data is readable, everyone can access it, then we develop that kind of application, that kind of a data with the public. If it is public, which is accessible by everyone. If you take real life example also, our Facebook account or Instagram account, if it is in a public mode, then everyone can see your profile, everyone can see your profile picture, your information and everything. Okay, if you have kept it as a private, then only friends, your friends who are your close friends or who are your mutual friends, they can only access it. These are in general whatever we use. In the same way, in developing applications also, we will develop by using four access modifiers. That is nothing but default, public, private, protected. Each one have its own significance. In upcoming classes, we will learn when we will use default, when there is a need of public, what is the need for protected, when we will use private. So the security part, the security is coming just because of access modifiers concept in the Java. So let's understand the Java in complete, what other things Java have and what things C and C++ have. C or C++ is languages are platform dependent. Okay, this is important interview question. Okay, people or they will ask in the interview, or anybody who will ask generally, what is platform dependency, what is platform independency. Okay, so it is very important to and crucial to have this knowledge basically. So let's discuss that. Coming to Java or coming to any language, let's discuss first platform. Okay, what is platform, guys? Platform is nothing but a simple hardware or software. okay, which is like a medium. In today's class, what is platform? You and me are connecting through internet, are connecting through Gautam Digital Learning with each other. Gautam Digital Learning is our platform to connect with each other. In the same way, in our Java also, there is a platform. In C also, there is a platform. It is providing us a software to connect. Okay. Coming to C, platform is nothing but a software or hardware, okay, which is a medium for connecting, that we can say in general. So what is platform dependent? Platform dependent is nothing but, guys, let's suppose an application is developed in one operating system. An application which is developed in one operating system, if that application cannot be run in different operating system, that application or that language is called platform dependent language. An application that is compiled in one operating system cannot be run on different operating system. Is called platform dependent. Okay, what is the example for platform dependent? C, C++ or platform dependent languages. C and C++ are platform dependent languages. So why this is happening? In C, C++, why this is happening? Let's see that one with a diagram. Let's clearly understand it. If you are able to see this diagram, if you are able to see, this is source code. Okay, let's understand first of all the terminologies. Okay, what is source code? Source code is nothing but, guys, whatever we write, the program, okay, or the code written by developer, like you and me, whoever have developed it, that is nothing but source code. Okay, what is compiled code? Compiler generated code. Compiler generated code is called compiled code. What we will do, guys, we will write program in source code. Okay, we will pass it to the compiler. Okay, and compiler will convert it into machine understandable code, that is zeros and ones. That converted form is nothing but compiled code. What is executable code? Executable code. Executable code is nothing but this code is understandable by operating system and it's readily executable. That is nothing but executable code. Okay, what will happen? For every operating system, it will generate one executable, readily executable code. Okay, that is called as executable code. Great. That in our Java, how it will happen? Let's see one by one. Okay, let's discuss about platform dependency, platform independency first. Okay, coming to platform independence in C or C++, what will happen? Let's see. Okay, if you see here, this is our source code. Whatever we have written, that is our source code. And this source code we have written in Windows. .c is there because we have written in C language. This code we have written in C language. Okay, the program we have saved it as .c, and this got passed to Windows compiler. Whatever compiler is there in the Windows system, that will be of Windows type. No, that is passed to Windows compiler. Once it is passed to Windows compiler, one compiled code will get generated, which is understandable by Windows machine language, which is there in Windows machine language. And then that will go to Windows linker and it will then move to executable code by that operating system, and finally we will get the output. That everybody knows. This is the process. So whatever, once the source code is passed to the compiler, the Windows compiler, the Windows generated machine language, if we cannot pass to any other operating system or any another machine operating system, we cannot run it. This machine language already got generated, guys. There is no need to generate it again. Okay, if it is platform independent. If it is platform dependent, we have to again generate it. We cannot use it. Whatever Windows generated machine language is there, we cannot directly use it in different operating system and we cannot run it directly. That type of language is called platform dependent languages. In C, what will happen? If it is Windows, then it should be run on Windows only. Then only you will get the output. Okay, in the same system you should run. If it is Linux, it should be of Linux type only. The generated machine language you cannot pass to another operating system which is of Solaris. Okay, the Solaris machine language, whatever generated machine language, you cannot pass it to Windows. If you pass it to Windows, it will not get executed. This is about platform dependency. Okay, coming to C, for developing internet-based applications, C is completely, we cannot develop internet-based applications by using C. Okay, so what feature we required to develop internet-based application? What feature we required? We simply required platform independency. Okay, that means the code, whatever we have done, we have executed, whatever compiler generated code is there in the machine language, if we can run in different operating system, that is nothing but platform independency. If we can achieve platform independency, guys, we can easily develop internet based applications. Okay, so why C++ languages are not platform dependent, ma'am? Simply because at the time C++ languages got evolved and developed, at that point of time internet was not there in the existence. That is the reason C++ languages are completely platform dependent. Great. I hope this is clear. In next video we will discuss how Java is platform independent, how it achieved platform independency. Okay. Thank you guys. Have a great learning. Have a great day. Bye.